kids. But before we start, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss a new video every single day. So, I was with my work partner and we were standing in the checkout line at a store. We were buying supplies for the forensic unit, so of course we were wearing our uniforms with our radios chittering away, listing off traffic stops, accidents, or whatever was going on in the city at the time. We commonly get mistaken for police officers, so when we're out and about in the city not responding to crime scenes, we have to be polite and professional at all times. There were only 2 registers open, and we were about 5th or 6th in line to the register. In front of us was a lady with 5 small children. One was in a stroller, and of the other 4, I'd guess the eldest was 7 or maybe 8 at most. This lady was actively negotiating with 3 of the children about how much the snacks they wanted cost and how much of their money they would have to give up to purchase said snacks. This went on for at least 10 minutes while we all moved closer to the register. None of the children ended up buying any snacks. A few minutes later, the woman with the children was at the register. The woman turned to wrangle one of her children, saw us and said, "Oh look, police officers. But they do other things besides the police we see. Ask them what they do." Then she looked at me and snapped her fingers at me. For the record, when she snapped her fingers, it was over the head of one of her children and about 2 feet from my face. I blinked in surprise because I think the last time anyone snapped their fingers at me like that was probably 5 years old. I didn't initially react because of the shock, so I'm sure my resting bee face hadn't moved. I've been told my RBF is powerful. She breathed an exasperated sigh, waved her hand at me in a hurried, dismissive wave, and said very loudly, "Tell them what you do," and went back to speaking to the clerk, who, for the record, during my exchange with the woman, was looking at me with a horrified expression on his face. I was then looking at 4 very small faces with wide eyes. No one spoke. We all just kind of looked at each other. I glanced at my work partner and noticed he had a pretty perplexed look on his face. I know for a fact he was mulling over in his head, as was I, as to how we could politely cuss this woman out, but alas, neither of us could do that. My work partner shrugged at me. I turned back to the children. Apparently realizing nothing was happening, the woman turned and exclaimed, "Ask her what she does," and like some crap out of the Stepford Wives, all 4, at the same time, with the same monotone voice, asked me, "What do you do?" Oh no, not creepy at all. Not one bit. I'm pretty sure I took a step back. I know my work partner did because his radio hit a display and knocked some packages of candy onto the floor. As he scrambled to get all of the packages off the floor, I gave the children some basic info describing what my work partner and I do, and it was obvious they had no idea what I was talking about. As one, they turned to look at their mother, who was demanding the clerk honor an expired coupon, and then they looked back at me. I blinked. You see, normally kids want to know what all my gear on my belt is for, or try on my hat, or ask why I have 2 pocket knives, or play with my flashlight. These kids just stared at me. Even my radio went silent. "Do you have any questions?" I asked. No response. The woman was nearly in a frenzy with the cashier, who now called over a manager to assist him. I turned to look at my work partner, who was now actively looking at anything but me or these children. And then we heard the voice of angels on the store intercom proclaim, "Register 7's open." My work partner and I fled to Register 7. I don't work here. Oh yeah, I don't work there either. I was out and about running errands this weekend when I got my second IDWHL experience. This time I was at a pet store, ready to stock up on scratching pads for my cat and snackos for the doggos. I'm always on the lookout for new friends to give some good ear scratches to at the pet store. So I cover lots of ground looking up and down aisles without actually holding much of anything in my hands. I guess that's what drew the attention of this Karen, since it seemed like she tracked me through a couple of aisles before she could catch up. The initial interaction was standard fare. "Where is this?" "I don't know." "Why not? You should." "I don't work here." Statements ignored, shrillness going to 11, etc. But this Karen did something weird. She listened. I had repeated once again that I didn't work here, and she replied, "Fine. You don't work here, but you're still a jerk. I want to talk to your manager wherever you do work." But really now, this is where things got fun. Engage petty revenge mode. Power level 9001.